Hi Claire, was there ever a time where you made a big mistake live on air?
I do remember my first ever live broadcast. I was a reporter with BBC Radio Jersey. So one morning, the breakfast show on the BBC asked me to go out and report on the ice. A little bit of ice, -4, had basically shut the island down. So I was sent to stand outside Jersey Electricity, which is like the ESB, and watch the crews coming out and talk to people who are making their way to work. So they had a thing called the radio car, which had the kit in the boot.
Okay.
And you plugged your microphone in, and that meant you could go live and stand there. But I was new to driving and very new to broadcasting, and I parked on a hill in the ice. So when I went live, the car started to slide.
Stop.
So I'm doing this live, trying to maintain my composure and report while also trying to jump in around to the front of the car and put my foot on the brake and pull up the handbrake, which I did.
That is
Got away with
wildly
it.
impressive.
Yeah,
that you
not
managed
bad,
to do that.
Not bad.
I love it.
Hi Claire, who was the most interesting person you ever interviewed?
One of the standout moments that people, even in the last couple of weeks when I've been talking to people about starting here, is the Nigel Farage interview.
Oh, yeah.
Which in the moment when I was talking to him, and I've interviewed him twice, didn't feel like it was a huge thing. But afterwards, it just blew up online. And now from time to time, it crops up again. So it's one of those interviews that keeps coming back to me.
Kevin here. My question is, what will you do differently here and you wouldn't get away with it, RT?
Kevin, I intend Kevin to go wild. I suppose what I'm looking forward to is the 3 hours, so it's longer show.
Oh, that's right, actually, yeah.
Probably just loosening up a bit. And I don't want to be derogatory about RT, because I had a great career in RT and I enjoyed every minute of it. And God, the opportunities they gave me, I should never have had half of them. But yeah, I am looking forward to maybe people getting to know me a bit better, a bit more personality, a bit more opinion maybe, and experimenting with new ideas, new formats, new
different
teams,
things.
all of that.